Your Mustang Mach-E is designed with our latest electric vehicle technology to give you the exhilarating performance you expect from a Mustang through the torque of an all-electric powertrain. But did you know that you can conveniently charge your vehicle at home and schedule charge times? Let me explain. Your Mustang Mach-E comes with the Ford Mobile Charger, which is compatible with standard 120-volt outlets just about anywhere, and also with 240-volt outlets. When plugged into a standard 120-volt outlet, your vehicle will charge at a rate of about 3 miles per charging hour. With a 240-volt outlet, you'll get about 20 miles per charging hour. For a faster charging experience, you can have the 48-amp Ford connected charge station installed by a certified electrician inside the garage or on an exterior wall of your home. As a matter of fact, a Ford connected charge station can charge your battery from 0 to 100% in approximately 10 hours. That's an estimated 28 miles per charging hour. Did you know that you can even schedule charging? This feature allows you to potentially save money and charge during non-peak hours when your Mustang Mach-E is not in use. Scheduled charging can be set up in your Sync 4A system and in the Ford Pass app. On your screen, touch the Mustang Mach-E icon, then Settings, then Charge. You can check the charge status here. To schedule charging, press here to edit charging locations. Press here to add a new location, or here to edit an existing location. Set the name of the location and the maximum charging level and press Next. Then set your preferred charging times. You can even program your preferred departure times and comfort settings. Back at the charge screen, press here to do so. Setting a departure time allows your vehicle to minimize electricity costs but still prioritize finishing charging by the time you need to leave. Setting cabin temperature allows your vehicle to use energy from the source it's plugged into for heating or cooling your vehicle, instead of using energy from the battery. This can help maximize your driving range. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.